Hey guys, welcome back. Today, nothing, no diagnostic today. Today I'm playing with my own motorcycle. I don't normally work on bikes, but this is mine, and therefore I get to fix it. Today we're going to do a little upgrade. I got a LED headlight sent to me by this company Auxbeam. Let's see, part number is MP00. My glasses. MP000819. I have an LED bulb in here. It works. Works okay. Other than it's loud, it has a fan in it. For those that don't know, LEDs, everybody says LEDs are nice. They don't get hot. You can touch them. The problem is the electronics behind them tend to get very hot. So they'll either put a heat sink on it or a fan. The one that's in here actually has a fan on it, and it's noisy. As soon as you put the key on, you hear the thing wind up and it starts cranking. Not a huge deal, but and once the bike's running, you really don't hear it anyway. But they sent me this headlight to try out. I was like, you ain't gotta ask me twice. Especially, this isn't just a little light bulb. This is a whole headlamp. Check that baby out. Comes in silver or black. Obviously the bike's pretty chromed out, so I said silver. It should fit. Cross your fingers. Sent a little adapter plug. I'm not quite sure how that's going to fit in. Hope for the best on that one. But thought I'd bring you guys along. We'll check it out. Pretty simple, as long as it fits and wires up. I'm kind of excited. So I will. It's kind of warm today. I had to shut the fan off to do this. So what I'm probably going to do is maybe speed this up a little bit, put the fan back on so I don't sweat to death, and then check back in when we're done. I like it. I like it, and it's quiet. It's about as simple as it gets. Unless of course you try putting a headlight into the frame upside down or backwards. I didn't do that. That's about it, guys. I know LEDs are a big issue. I know Joe over Joe's Auto Electric had a little funny video about LED bulbs on a customer's car. They've come a long way. There's still a lot of bad ones out there. Bulbs that flicker, bulbs that do all kinds of weird things when it comes to LED. I think on a motorcycle, you want to be bright and loud because you need to be seen, you need to be heard, because otherwise you get run over. That's about it. I like it. It fits well. It works. That went right in, actually. Plugged right in. I'm really kind of happy with it. I'm excited to get out there. I probably have to just set the adjustment screws. I'll do that. I'll turn the lights out, make the place dark, set up a target. But that's it, guys. If you get a chance, I'll put the link below, and I'll follow it up if there's any issues. You know, like I tell anybody asks me to do a review, I tell them I'm going to do it, good or bad. So I hope it's good, because otherwise I got no problem bashing it. So far so good. Thanks, guys. Hope everybody's well.